Seeing your credit score drop unexpectedly can be stressful, but it is almost always triggered by specific changes in your credit report. Understanding these common triggers can help you identify what happened and take steps to fix it. One of the most frequent reasons for a sudden drop is an increase in your credit utilization ratio. This happens when your revolving credit card balances go up relative to your total credit limits. Even if you make your minimum payments on time, if your utilization crosses certain thresholds, such as 30% or 50%, your score can take a noticeable hit. Paying down those balances is usually the fastest way to recover those points. Another common cause is a change in your payment history. A single payment reported late by 30 days or more can significantly damage your Equifax credit score. If you have always paid on time, check your report to ensure a payment wasn't misprocessed or incorrectly reported by a lender. New hard inquiries can also lower your score temporarily. Every time you apply for a new credit card, personal loan, or mortgage, the lender requests a hard pull of your credit report. While a single inquiry has a minimal effect, multiple inquiries in a short period signal higher financial risk to scoring models. Errors or fraudulent activity on your Equifax report are another critical factor. Identity theft, unauthorized accounts opened in your name, or incorrect negative marks from a collection agency can drag your score down without your knowledge. Regularly reviewing your official credit report is the best way to catch and dispute these inaccuracies. Finally, closing an old credit card account can negatively impact your score by shortening your average credit history length and reducing your overall available credit limit. To find the exact cause, pull your current Equifax credit report and compare it with the previous month. Look specifically for new negative marks, increased balances, or unfamiliar accounts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.